Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check your PHP version in your PC. I mean if you have installed it or not. So go for the command prompt and say here php-v. You will get PHP version, but currently PHP version is more than 8.5. I mean why here 8.2? Because I'm using here XAMPP. I mean this PHP is from XAMPP PHP. Let me show you. If I say here XAMPP, here you can see XAMPP control panel, and if I go to the drive where I have actually installed XAMPP in my PC, in this case this drive, here you can see I have a folder called XAMPP, and if I go for the PHP folder, and then you will find here php.exe. so I have added this php.exe in the path, so there is a reason actually I can access PHP globally from anywhere in my PC, and I don't have to actually install PHP zip file. Okay, so what I have to do to set environment variable, you have to actually go for the env, and then you have to go for the edit this system environment variable. So click here open, click here edit environment variable, select path under system variables, click here edit, and here you can see I have added PHP. So initially when you install XAMPP, you can actually find this. What you have to do, you have to actually go for the drive where you have actually installed XAMPP, and then inside XAMPP you will find folder called PHP. Here you can see, and inside PHP folder you will find PHP path. Basically what you have to do, you have to actually copy this address bar. Okay, copy this and go to the environment variables, and here you have to add new one. That's it. I already added it, so I'm not going to do this once again. Just delete this. Okay, okay, okay. Now you can access PHP from anywhere in your PC. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching.